Symptoms of a bad spark plug. Alright, buckle up automobile dashing away. Let's dive into the world of spark plugs in a way that's not boring or overly technical. Think of this as a fun ride where you'll learn and laugh at the same time. Imagine this: you turn the key or push that fancy start button, and your car wakes up with a satisfying vroom. Ever wondered who's responsible for that instant explosion of life? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, it's not pixie dust, and it's definitely not Elon Musk hiding in your engine. This little guy may look small, but without it, your engine is nothing more than a metal sculpture. The spark plug is like the lighter at a barbecue. It ignites the air-fuel mixture in your engine cylinders, creating tiny controlled explosions that give your car the power to move. No spark equals no boom equals no go. Simple. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Here's the breakdown of its job. Ignition master. It sends a spark, literally a mini lightning bolt, into the combustion chamber. Timing expert. It sparks at just the right time, so your engine runs smooth instead of coughing like an old man with a cold. Efficiency boss. Good spark plugs make sure fuel burns completely, saving you money on gas and preventing that awful "why is my fuel disappearing" moment. In short, the spark plug is small but mighty, the heartbeat of your engine's performance. Symptoms of a bad spark plug, and how they feel in real life. Now let's get juicy. What happens when your spark plugs are tired, dirty, or just plain bad? Here's how your car might scream for help. 1. The sluggish start, hard starting. Ever had those mornings where your car acts like it had a late night? You turn the key, but instead of starting with confidence, it stumbles, coughs, and finally drags itself to life. That's your spark plug struggling to fire up the mixture.
2. Rough idling, the engine dance. When you're parked or waiting at a light, does your car shake or rumble like it's beatboxing under the hood? That's misfiring from a faulty plug. A healthy engine should purr like a kitten, not sound like a washing machine on spin cycle. 3. Weak acceleration, the come on move moment. You hit the gas, but your car moves like it's dragging its feet. Instead of zipping forward, it hesitates. Faulty spark plugs can't create a strong spark, which means weak explosions inside the engine. 4. Bad fuel economy, wallet crying mode. If you suddenly find yourself visiting the fuel station more often, blame the plugs. Weak sparks mean the fuel isn't burned efficiently, so your car gulps more gas to compensate. 5. Misfiring and strange noises, the popcorn effect. Sometimes you'll hear popping, crackling, or even backfiring from the exhaust. That's incomplete combustion caused by spark plug failure. It sounds dramatic, but your wallet won't find it funny. 6. Check engine light, the car's SOS signal. Modern cars don't play around. If a plug is misfiring, your check engine light might glow like a Christmas ornament. Don't ignore it. It's your car's way of saying, "Help me before it gets worse." If you're liking the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Now let's continue. Why you should care. Here's the deal. Bad spark plugs aren't just an inconvenience. They're a chain reaction of problems. More fuel wasted. Rough driving experience. Long-term engine damage. Fixing a bad spark plugs. 1. Sluggish starts. Hard starting. Replace your spark plugs with new ones. Most last 20,000 to 100,000 kilometers, depending on type. Copper, platinum, or iridium. Check your ignition coil and wires while you're at it. Sometimes they're the real culprits. Pro tip. A fresh set of plugs makes starting your car feel like flipping on a light switch. Instant and smooth. 2. Rough idling, that shaky vibe. Install new spark plugs, making sure they're properly gapped. That's the tiny space where the spark jumps. Inspect and clean the throttle body and air filter. Sometimes dirt adds to the drama. Pro tip. Once fixed, your car should idle like a calm cat purring, not like it's drumming at a rock concert. 3. Weak acceleration, no zoom. Swap in new plugs to restore strong, clean sparks. Check ignition wires and fuel injectors. If they're clogged or worn, they'll kill your power too. Pro tip. A car with healthy plugs responds like an athlete off the starting block, fast and confident. 4. Bad fuel economy, fuel tank crying. New spark plugs will ensure complete combustion, less wasted fuel. Make sure the plugs are the right type for your car. Wrong ones can ruin efficiency. While at it, change your fuel filter if it hasn't been touched in a while. Pro tip. You'll notice fewer trips to the filling station. and your wallet will finally stop crying. 5. Misfiring and strange noises. Popcorn party in the exhaust. Replace worn-out spark plugs immediately. Inspect ignition coils and plug wires. Sometimes the spark isn't reaching the plug at all. If the misfire is severe, scan with an OBD2 tool to pinpoint which cylinder is acting up. Pro tip: once fixed, your car will sound like an engine again, not a popcorn machine. 6. Check engine light, car's SOS. Use a scan tool to confirm if it's spark plug related. Misfire codes often show up as P0300, P0306. Replace the faulty plugs, then clear the code. If the light comes back, you may also need to check ignition coils, sensors, or the fuel system. Pro tip: don't just ignore or cover the light with tape. Yes, people do this. Fixing the root cause now prevents huge repair bills later. A quick reminder for you to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my future videos. DIY or mechanic? DIY friendly. If you've got basic tools and patience, changing spark plugs is one of the easiest car fix. See a mechanic if you notice oil on the plugs, damaged threads, or if the check engine light keeps coming back even after replacing them. Replacing spark plugs is one of the easiest and cheapest car maintenance tasks, but ignoring them can lead to big, costly repairs. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Skip it too long, and you'll regret it at the dentist. So next time your car stumbles, shakes, or guzzles fuel like a thirsty camel, don't panic. Just whisper, "Could it be my spark plugs?" Remember, this tiny part keeps your mighty engine alive. Treat it well, and your car will reward you with smooth rides, better mileage, and that satisfying vroom every time you turn the key. That is all for this video. I hope it was informative. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. See you around.